Alright, what's up, all you coat hanger dodgers and welfare recipients? For those of you that didn't know, I remember all the mowers that were back here and all the shit that was growing. All the poison ass crack. You know, that shit if it got on you, you'd be dead. Well, there were mowers and poison ass crack from about the back of this mower to where I'm standing now, all the way to the fucking fence. And about 30 mowers that I just broke all the handles down off of and loaded up into my buddy's truck and his trailer, strapped it in. And then after he left, I cut up all the shit that was growing in between there. And now I'm moving the tractors, the mud mowers forward. I'm going to do this little bit of stuff that was growing by them, which is lucky it's only a little. There's a wasp nest up under this hood because I keep everything covered. And God knows what I got going in there. I call it near the pit. There's just some stuff in there. But see this shit, how it's growing in between there like that? It was growing in between. What is that shit? Anybody know what that is? Poison something or other? It's everywhere around this place. My co-consorter here seems to get it all the time when he walks by this stuff on this side. And it's the same exact shit, I believe. Same shit, right? That's the same leaf. I don't know what it is. I got it all over me when I was, picking it up. I tried to get it with the shovels and whatever. I got a long sleeve shirt on, and I chopped it all up. Can't even tell. It doesn't look like a lot, but that's the pile of it right there. Mixed in with all the other shit. It doesn't look like a lot, but it really is. It was two wheelbarrows full, like full. So, but anyway, that's finally done out of here. Some of these I kept the handles. We didn't take all of them off, but some of them I kept. But the funny thing I saw about that bike I was working on for the guy, how the rear looked redone. You look at that, right? You look at those handles and the actual circumference of the bends. When you look here on these things that's rotting out, it almost looks like that's what they used. You see how they went from thick to thin right there, but they did it sloppily. Like I almost wonder if that's what they used. Just cut it and use angles, almost like a prefab header kit that you just buy. It comes with all the bends, and then you get to cut it wherever you need to cut and cobble it together that way. But anyway, I'm dying. I don't know what the temperature says, but I got to tell you like a bajillion.